Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. As we discussed last class, most important point is what? Wurtz reaction. In Wurtz reaction, compulsory you have to consider 2 moles of sodium that can react with 2 moles of alkyl halide. A very good example is Rx can react with 2 moles of sodium plus what? XR or Rx in the presence of what? Ether. There is a formation of product is what? Higher alkane plus release of what? 2 moles of sodium halide. Okay. In this case, what? Which is a major product? They are going to ask you compulsory how to find out symmetrical in nature. Symmetrical means what? If 4 CH3 means what? If 4 carbons are there, CH3, CH2, CH2, next one is what? CH3. If you are going to put a symmetry means when you are going to put a symmetry, in that case you have to check in both of the side there must be a similar carbon. Okay, that is indicate what symmetrical in nature. Okay, next I had given an example. Okay, that is what homework. How many possible products are possible. Okay, next one is what out of possible product which is a major product I asked you. Okay, some of you have commented in the comment section. Just here I am going to solve that only. Just see here. Okay, what is that example? CH3 is there, next one is what? CH2, next one is what? CH3. This can react with 2 moles of sodium is there. In this case not like that, means better you have to take Br, otherwise you have to take what? Chlorine, no problem. CH2, next one is what? Br, 2 moles of sodium, next in this case what? Br is there, next one is what? CH3 is there. Okay, this one no, I have taken example, or is there any other example? I don't know. CHBr, CH3, okay, or 2 moles are there, 3, 4, 5 are there, no, I think. Okay, better I think I forgotten what is that example. Okay, Br, CH2, CH3, maybe this one. Okay, just here in this case what? In the presence of what? Ether. In the presence of what? Ether. Your aim is you have to remove this one, 2 moles of what? NaBr you have to remove. Finally, you are going to get a product is what? CH3, CH2, next one is what? CH2, next one is what? CH2, next one is what? CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many carbons are total? 5 carbons are there, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. Okay, this is the what? Pentane. What is the name of this one? Pentane. Okay, this is what? Pentane. Is there any plus release of 2 moles of NaBr you have to write. Okay. Pentane, is it a symmetrical in nature? No. If you are going to put a symmetry in this case, in this side you are going to get a 3 carbon, but in this side you are going to get a 2 carbon. It is not possible to put a symmetry. Okay. This is what? One possible product. Next, another possible product, you have to take this one 2 moles. After that you have to take this one 2 moles. Okay. Just here I am going to take this one only 2 moles. Just here CH3 is there, next one is what? CH2, CH2Br plus 2 moles of NaBr. You have to write this one only same Br, CH2, CH2, CH3. Next, after that what? In the presence of ether you have to add, you have to remove these things. Okay, finally what is left? In this case you have to write CH3 is left, CH2, next one is what? CH2, next one is what? CH2, CH2, next one is what? CS. You have to count number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 carbon. 1 carbon is there, 100% what? There must be a symmetry. Okay, this is a major product. This is what? Major product, 100% because of symmetrical in nature. But in this case symmetry is not possible. Total 6 carbon is there. You have to write IUPAC name hexane. Okay. Next, okay, this one you have to take 2 moles. Next you have to take this one 2 moles. Okay, what is that? Just here I am going to write CH3, I am going to write after that what? CH2, Br, 2 moles of Na, next this can react with the Br, CH2, CH3. Okay, after that in the presence of what? Ether, no problem. Okay, just you have to remove these things. Okay, you are going to get a product is what? CH3, next one is what? CH2, CH2, next one is what? CH3. Is it possible symmetry? Yes. In this case also symmetry possible, in this case also symmetry possible. Totally there is a 3 possible product. Out of these 3, 2 are what? Major product, because of these 2 having what? Symmetrical in nature. Okay. Such kind of questions they are going to ask you in what? NEET and JEE exam. Okay. Better you have to practice. Okay. Bear in mind, in this case they are going to ask you possible product. That time you have to explain these things. Okay. Up to this is indicate what Wurz reaction. Bear in mind one more point, in Wurz reaction tertiary alkyl halide do not undergo Wurz reaction, bear in mind. Okay. Tertiary alkyl halide do not undergo Wurz reaction. Tertiary alkyl halide means what? Just here you know very well about that SN1 is there, no, that is the example. Here CS3 is there, after that water CS3, next one is what? CS3, here Cl is there, no, this will not undergo Wurz reaction. Next question, why it is not undergo Wurz reaction? Because it is a majority undergo elimination reaction. Wurz reaction can undergo substitution reaction, bear in mind Wurz reaction can undergo substitution reaction, but if tertiary alkyl halides can undergo what? Elimination reaction. Okay, that is why bear in mind. Means what? In this case what happened, due to what? Hyperconjugation, here CH2, this is going to get a what? H. Automatically in this case what? There is a cleavage or breakage of bond takes place between a carbon and hydrogen. This can undergo what? Elimination reaction. Okay, if elimination reaction, it can undergo elimination reaction means what? That is not possible to what? Wurz reaction. Wurz reaction can undergo what? Substitution. All the substitution reactions are most important. Okay, that is why bear in mind. Last note, if you want you can take you note down. I will repeat one more time. Tertiary alkyl halide do not undergo Wurz reaction. Okay, up to this what? Wurz reaction is completed. The next one is what? Fatigue is there. After that what? Wurz fatigue, combination of what? Wurz and fatigue. Okay, next point is what? Fatigue reaction. Okay, fatigue reaction means compulsory we are going to consider what? Aryl halides. Aryl means what? Benzene ring. Okay, aryl means what? Benzene ring. Heading you have to write. Second you have to write heading. First one is Wurz reaction, second one is fatigue. FITTING, fatigue reaction. Okay, fatigue reaction means automatically bear in mind fatigue reaction only takes place with the help of what? Aryl halides. Aryl halides means general example I am going to write first. This is X. X means what? Chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. Okay, next after that this can react with the what? 2 moles of sodium is there. Next after that in this case I am going to write like this. If you want you can write here, no problem. Okay, why I wrote like this means it is very easy to eliminate. Okay, you have to write bond. After that in the presence of what? Ether is there, there is a formation of product, means in this case you have to eliminate these things. Okay, like this, here is there, no, you have to eliminate. 2 moles of NaX will go out. Okay, finally left is what? 2 benzene rings. Okay, one is what? Like this, another one is here to write like this. Okay, what is the name of this one? Biphenyl or a diphenyl, both are same, plus release of what? 2 moles of NaX. This is a in general example. Okay, this one is indicate what? Fatigue reaction. In the examination they are going to ask you 2 marks or it may be what? 1 marks also. What are the products or what is the product possible in what? A biphenyl. Okay, means fatigue reaction product possible is biphenyl. Okay, in this case next one is what? Particular example we are going to consider. If you want you can write explanation also, no problem. Explanation means what? Aryl halides can react with the sodium in the presence of ether to form a biphenyl or a diphenyl. That is the what? Explanation for what? Fatigue reaction. Okay, next particularly I am going to consider example. Particular example is very simple. This is what? Cl. What is the name of this one? Chlorobenzene. Must and should you have to write name. Okay, below that compound. Okay, what is the name of this one? Halobenzene, normal name. What is the name of this one? Chlorobenzene, you have to write. Okay, chlorobenzene you have to write. Next after that what? This can react with what? 2 moles of sodium. Next after that you have to take what? Again chlorobenzene, don't take bromobenzene. Okay, 2 different halogens not going to react. Okay, that is why compulsory you have to take what? Similar halogens. Next in the presence of ether, yesterday only means last class only I told you what? Why, what is the role of ether. Okay, better go to that video. Okay, next in this case you have to eliminate these things, no problem. Finally you are going to get a what? Same similar example. This is what? Biphenyl plus release of what? 2 moles of NaCl, same biphenyl or a diphenyl. This is indicate what? Fatigue reaction. Okay, the next one is there, that is what? Wurz fatigue reaction. Wurz, you have to take one example from Wurz and you have to take one example from what? Fatigue. Combination of these two is indicate Wurz fatigue reaction. Okay, Wurz fatigue reaction. Okay, Wurtz-Fittig reaction. In general, I am going to consider first example. This Rx come from what? Wurtz reaction. Next, after that, this can react with what? 2 moles of sodium. Next, plus is there. Okay, you have to write plus, no problem. Next, after that, in this case, what this is a X. X means what? Any halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Next, in the presence of ether is there. You have to eliminate these things. Okay, 2 moles of NaX will go out. Finally, there is a left of water like this. Okay, here R is there. No? This code indicate what? R, and next this is a benzene. This is indicate what? A final product for this one. Okay, plus release of what? 2 moles of sodium halide. Okay, NaX. This is a in general example. Means in this case, how we are going to write? Alkyl halide can react with 2 moles of sodium. Means one is alkyl halide, another one is aryl halide, can combine with what? So 2 moles of sodium in the presence of ether to form a product. Okay, that is indicate what? Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Okay, aryl benzene, there is a formation. Okay, next example for particular. Just I am going to take a R. R means I am going to take a CS3. Next, in this case, I am going to take a Cl. This can react with our sodium. Next, after that, in this case, I am going to consider chlorobenzene. In the presence of what? Ether, you have to write. Just here in this case, you have to eliminate these things. 2 moles of NaCl will go out. Finally, there is a formation of product is what? Benzene ring. Next one is what? CS3 plus release of what? 2 moles of NaCl. What is the name of this one? Toluene. Okay, or methyl benzene. Methyl benzene or a toluene. In this case, what? That is indicate what? Normal only, methyl benzene only. CS3 means R is indicate what? CS3. Methyl benzene common name, toluene is indicate what? IUPAC name. In generally, toluene is act as a IUPAC name only. Okay, this is indicate what? Most important, methyl benzene. Up to this is indicate what? Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Okay, bear in mind important Wurtz reaction. This is a Fittig reaction. Next one is Wurtz-Fittig reaction, combination of Wurtz and Fittig. Okay, if you want, you can take example. A number of examples are there. If CS3 is there, you have to take what? C2 means CS3, CH2, Cl you have to take. After that, 2 moles of sodium, you have to take chlorobenzene. If you want, you can take bromobenzene, no problem. Okay, don't take 2 and 3 chlorines. Okay, you have to take only 1 chlorine. Okay, after this one is indicate what? Reaction with what metals is completed. Okay, the next thing is that is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. That point we will study next video. Thank you.